Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, money team? Happy Monday. It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you all had a blessed weekend full of DOD. Full of D to the O to the O to the D. What's good, what's good, what's good? All right, y'all. Just let me get all set up and cooking for the day. And we will get after it. Hopefully, y'all all had a blessed weekend. You stuck to your routine. You stayed focused. Three to the one to the one to the three. I woke up this morning trading with Team Bull 2B. Invite. All right. All right, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go, baby. Let me get this up as well. $7:05 Mountain in Mountain Time. Okay, let's get it. 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 All right. Good morning, TikTok. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading. Nothing I say is financial advice, and everything is education and for entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. It is 7:05 a.m. Mountain Time on February 23rd, 2026. Let's get to the money, baby. Let's go. Woo. Was good. Hey, YouTube. Y'all like the new thumbnail? What do y'all think about the new thumbnail? I thought it was cool. Put the New York Stock Exchange mix. Yeah, thank you guys. I was all hyped yesterday. My guy got it to me. I'm like, ooh, I'm excited to go live on YouTube and see if people like it. I guess that's what getting old is. You get excited about little things like a thumbnail. How was everybody's weekend? How'd y'all do? You guys all have a good weekend? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's good, Tyler? What's up, bro? What's good, everybody? Let's see. Let's get this. Okay. Yep. Well, Paydun's not here quite yet, but he's on the way. I think. Let's call him. Gene's coming, but he has the tools to activate Paydun. I was in charge of making meatballs for 50 guests at my church and was told by multiple people they were the best meatballs they've ever eaten. That's really cool, bro. I'm sure that felt really good. Hola. What up? What up? Hey, what are you doing? Could you take my trash and recycling out when you get to the house, please? I just totally realized I didn't do it this morning. Por favor. Por favor, Mr. Jane. You're the man. You locked in another payout too? Let's go. Awesome. Well, thank you. I'll see. Yep, see ya. Peace. Man, I love that guy. Such an helpful man. What's up, Dr. Ajami? What's up, bro? What's up, Tyler Gedicke? Guys, I stuck with my diet all weekend, and I don't want to say diet, but I stuck with my meal plan all weekend. 5 meals a day. I'm telling you, when I start really pushing out some weight again and showing some progress, oh my goodness, it's about to be over. It's about to be over. I had to grab my light too. It's about to be over. Call me trend done. It's gonna look like I'm up on the trend. No, it's gonna be a slow grind, but I'm ready for it. Good morning, everybody choosing DOD today. Is Gene like an intern or something? Gene is a mix of my assistant, an intern, a mentee, a team bull trader, a profitable trader, and a very, very good friend. Oh, whoops. Sorry, Grizzly. I wasn't looking at the Zoom. I gotta allow you to speak. Hold on. There we go. What's up, bro? Let me make sure my speakers are working. Whoops, hold on. If you're speaking, I can't hear you. There we go. Now I'll be able to hear you. And all of the order filled today. That's what we're going to be hearing all day. Well, probably not all day, but hopefully at least once in the winning direction. What's up, jalapeno business? No, what? Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. What's today's? Hold on. Woo! Sorry, fellas. Oh. Thank you guys for the bless yous. Means a lot. What's today's red folder news? Let's go see what today's news is in the Team Bowl section. We got nothing. We just got factory orders. Tomorrow we got some Fed speakers and consumer confidence. Wednesday we have Fed speakers. Thursday we have initial jobless claims, and Friday we have PPI. Not a whole lot of data this week. Not a whole lot of data this week. You guys all follow your routine this weekend? You guys get your workouts in? Follow your diet? I did about 1,000 12-ounce curls this weekend. What? Pizza Hut held you hostage. Don't. I don't care what another live says. We're going to find a winner on NASDAQ today. Hopefully. Good morning, Mr. Dunn. Good morning, kind Sir Bobby. Mr. Bobby. Oh, I don't have my screen shared yet. I don't have my screen shared yet. But I will. Oh, there we go. Yes. Allow. Do I think about Donald Trump speaking? I'm not going to listen. I don't care. I got a GT2 RS. A GT2. A GT2. Bro, I used the 5-minute volume candle retracement yesterday, and it works like a champ. Yup. VPA, it's the way. Dude, that USA hockey game was awesome. To my Canadian friends here, I'm sorry. Had to go that way. Hughes was not being stopped. Oh, man, Hughes was on a mission, got his teeth knocked out, and then drilled the game winner. Bro was ready. Yeah, they were playing hard too. So the two teams fight so much. Yeah, it's about to go down. It did go down. Not about to go down. All right, guys, we got 12 minutes till open. We are going to choose DOD today. Discipline over dopamine, over cheap, garbage, terrible dopamine. We don't choose that here. We don't allow that for that here. Am I not in a blizzard? No, I'm in Colorado, bro. It's not blizzard now. I don't think it's snowing. It's sunny out. It's sunny out. I just looked out my window. It's a good question, Sardar. I'm not sure. Hey, I didn't know where I'm going, what I'm doing until I met you. Let's go. All right, everybody, we're gonna make ourselves a bag today. Ourselves a bag today, the DOD way. Do I get this to work? What's DOD? Only the greatest trading system to ever exist. Only the greatest, simplest trading system to exist in the land. Let's see what we get here. We need pay down to show up. Then we'll be really good to go. I had a really good weekend, guys. Sorry to hear that, Vicky. I would actually argue that if you're not in the greatest headspace, to avoid putting on any real risk. I'm very sorry to hear that. Yep, definitely a good idea to stay away from the market. Definitely don't want to put any emotions at risk. Don't. All right. A year in your Discord really taught me a ton about how to trade. Appreciate it, brother. Let's go. Appreciate you. Appreciate all y'all being a part of this live stream. The podcast went great too. Both the podcasts went super well. Had 2 student interviews of people that have had success with Team Bull and with the DOD system. Is trading still gambling if you have a system? I don't believe so, but it could be construed as such. You know, it's everything in life that has risk can be a gamble. That's how I look at it. You go to college, you're gambling 4 years of your time, and also potentially $100,000. YouTube does not have a 30-second delay. YouTube has like a 4 to 6 second delay. Just requested 2 payouts this morning. That's my 3rd in the past 2 weeks. Thanks to Jdun and DOD. Let's go. It's awesome. My man. My man Philip got his 2 payouts coming. Using the system. No, NVIDIA earnings wouldn't work for that typically. Sometimes you'll get a really strong move, but you're better off if you're going to go aggressive on evals and such. You're better off.
Do you all want me to screen share?
I think you should be able to, Grizzly. Can you hear me? Hello? I think you should be able to.
All right, let me see.
I pressed allow earlier.
I was talking to you earlier. I don't think you could hear me.
Oh, huh. Maybe it was before I turn my speakers on. Or something. Or something.
How's your morning go?
Great. Had a great weekend, great morning. And yourself?
It's good. Good workout.
My PC is fixed. Yes, my PC. I'm back at the home base.
Maybe we'll get a little easier market this week. I'm not for sure with NVIDIA earnings. We'll see.
When is NVIDIA earnings?
I just posted my weekly briefing too. Well, let me see. I think it's on Thursday. No, Wednesday.
I'll be in LA. How about you, Grizzly? How was your weekend, bro?
It was good. I actually had a slower weekend than usual as far as work goes. I just spent a lot of time with family. I worked on a few things. Worked out and spent time with family. About it.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It is a great day to choose DOD. Discipline over cheap, garbage, terrible dopamine. I want you guys all to focus up. Do your mental check-in. How are you feeling? Has there been any life events going on? How did you sleep last night? Are you hungry? Are you focused? Or do you have any brain fog? All these things. We make today a focus, a mission to better our psychology and better our execution starting today on this beautiful Monday. Make today day one of your new trading journey. Choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe. Let's get it. Let's get it, everybody. Let's get it. I usually don't trade two bars right off the open. So, I mean, technically, if we're trending up, this could be. You could look for this retracement here, but I wouldn't do it right off the open, personally. Just not how I trade. Too much risk. As a reminder to everybody, if you would like to trade futures with me today, Apex is 90% off. You can use code Jdun for 90% off of Apex Trader Funding. I recommend the 50K Tradeovate account. You guys can copy trade up to 20 accounts at a time, though for Wadiel, that's probably not a good idea. All right, guys. And 4. All right. All right, Team Bull. for the official Jdun call or the hope of the week, based on my calculations and where I make a lot of my money. You know who Jdun wants to see and who thinks is coming out this week? We're getting the Bears in the house, baby. Let's go. We're making some money on the downside. The Bears are coming out. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Who let the Bears out? Ooh. You got the bull mask forever. How about the Bears now, baby? How about the Bears now? Now we're ready for both sides. Now we're ready for both sides, baby. We ain't playing no more. We are not playing no more. I'll tell you all that right now. The games are over. Hey, Grizzly, you see that? Mr. Grizzly? We were twins for a second, bro. You didn't even compliment me. You didn't even say I look good. It's not very nice. Didn't even say that I look good. How rude. And I'll drop top. All right, guys, let's get it today. What am I looking for, little guy? Well, I am the short king, but unfortunately, I'm not little. No. You didn't even see me earlier, Grizzly. You weren't watching the screen, man. Thank you, bro. Hold on.
What's going on?
I thought you would like what I had to show you, man.
I can't see you.
Look at me now.
I see you. That's a bear.
Ah.
I got some mask at home. I'm gonna scare my daughter.
Thought you liked that. Ah. Cracked me up for real. I am the Russian bear. Uh-oh, guys. Yeah, is this what trading long-term does to you? Yeah, you kind of become a little nuts. Sometimes a lot nuts. But, you know, if you embrace it, well, it can't have any negative effect on you, right? Once you fully embrace it and you say, well, this is just who I am and what I'm going to be, you just embrace it as a new lifestyle. Yeah. We are way too far gone. We are very far gone. Hey, guess who just showed up too? We got Pay Done in the house, baby. Pay Done on a Monday. We got Pay Done on a Monday. Up in the house. We got Pay Done up in the house. Hopefully I get to use the bear mask this week. I'm really, really hoping we catch a banger so we can bring out the bear mask. Ideal situation right there. We got pre-market low, pre-market high mapped out. Let's see what Tezzy's doing this morning. What's my baby Tesla doing? What's my baby doing? Nothing. Whole lot of nothing. How incredible to have such a good-hearted human being like yourself, Jdun, to be out here for us, others, and to teach us not only to trade but a way of life. DOD. Let's go. I appreciate you being here. Hey, let's go. Do y'all like the new thumbnail on YouTube? I was proud of it. I thought it was cool. I used the New York Stock Exchange thumbnail, Gene. It's DOD every day. It's a lifestyle. It's a way of living. We use DOD as a lifestyle, as a way of living. What car do I drive? I, for the most part, drive a 2012 Honda Accord, 4-cylinder, basic model. I'm trying to work my way up to something better, but right now I'm just at a Honda. I assume you're new here. Is that okay? Will you still trust me as your mentor with only a Honda Accord? I drive a $5,000 car. Will you still rock with me? Will you still trust me with your DOD? Yep, that sounds about right with all them losses. Yep. That's it. I've just all those losses. Yeah, maybe one day. My dream car is a.
I would really like to see a bounce around 24,800 area. Well, that's what I'm watching. We push down.
My dream car is a Porsche GT2 RS. I'd love to have a Lambo one day too. One day.
Overnight low, Asia low.
But for now, I got my 2012 Honda Accord. I love my 2012 Honda Accord. What are you watching for, Grizzly? You said Asia low?
24,800 area. 24,808. 800.
Or
Possible bounce.
ways away.
Even if we sweep it, you know.
All right. I'm here for it.
It'd be hard for me to take a short. So we get below that because we have pre-market low, previous day point of control together. We might be able to catch like a short entry off pre-market low if we get confirmation down to that level.
I'm going to be real patient today for a Monday. And Mondays have been decent to me so far this year, but.
Last couple of weeks have been a little tricky.
Yeah, I didn't have a very good Monday. Was it last week or the week before? Week before, yeah. Week before. Yeah, week before that's where I got stopped out in literally like 10 seconds or 15 seconds or something.
Setup looked good. It just fast moving candles pushed down further than usual for entries.
Yeah, I literally 2 weeks ago Monday, I literally got stopped out in like 12 seconds. I got in. That deal stopped me out immediately. Yo, as a reminder, YouTube and TikTok, good morning. These are both the free live streams. Trading with yours truly, Jdun. That's what they call me. My real name is Jacob. I'm the founder of the DOD system, and I love helping you guys learn, level up, and stay patient and focused in your trading. So that being said, appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button if you're on TikTok, hitting that follow button. And if you are on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube at Jdun Trades. You can get access to full screen share in my charting on YouTube. We're building the largest community in the game. You like the other thumbnail better? At least you're honest. I loved my new thumbnail. Reminds me of when I was at the New York Stock Exchange. miss my Urus, RIP. Verse, if your old opinion, I don't care what it's worth when the dot. Yeah, let's see what we get, guys. We might get a large range, and hopefully, for our sake, I'd love to get a nice confirmation below 15-minute low and pre-market low and test that and target Asia low down here. We targeted this. Down where Grizzly's watching for bounce. I'd love to see a break below pre-market low and hold, and also close below 15-minute low, and then we target that Asia low. This would not be a 2-bar if we close strong. Why is that? You could potentially use it as a trend-setting candle, but why is this specifically not a 2-bar right here? I'll let you answer it for me. It's not in a trending direction. We're in the first 15 minutes and we're not trending down yet. So when you see an aggressive 5-minute candle like this, you could arguably, like right now, I'd look for a move from high to low of this range. So like our midlines are on 960. We have our pre-market low and 15-minute low stacked as well. So you could arguably look for a retrace of this candle. That'd be to 940. Stops have to be above 25,000. Bit too much risk for me. But it wouldn't be a 2-bar. It would not be a 2-bar. I'd love to see us close strong, maybe down like this 840, 850. Or we could even look for a retrace back up here to around 950, 960. Try stops with, or try shorts with stops above like 25,000. That wouldn't look half bad. I don't think that'd be terrible. But again, it's a Monday. I'm going to be very cautious, very patient. Could be very cautious, very patient, and wait for my next A+ setup. Where do I begin? I'm come from the land that was chosen. Given the right setups, I did plan on sizing up a little bit this week. Adding an extra mini or two. Let's see where that midline of that candle is. We're still a ways away from me being able to take anything. Still a ways away from DOD and VPA firing to take anything. Just going to trade smart, trade safe, stay patient. Depends. Sometimes like 3 to 5. Usually more than like 5. I'll live to the point where I'm trading like 10. 10, hold for 40 points. That's 8 racks. And mind you, that's on a live account. We're not talking about props. We're talking about live funds. What up, Gene?
Oh,
I just realized you were in here. How was your morning? Do you get the cans outside? Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Gene. Little sneaky little snake Gene. Little sneaky snake Gene. Said no mames. You're gonna send me to Mexico right now? Aren't they like at war or something? You're gonna recruit me for what? Gene said he's sending me to Mexico. It's not very nice. I mean, I went to Cancun back when I was like 19. That was great. Puerto Vallarta. They're going to make me trade. They're going to abduct me and make me trade for the cartel. They're going to say, Jdun, Jacobo, you teach our cartel to trade oils. Jacobo, you teach my soldiers DOD. That's what they'll say. That's what they'll say to me. That's what they'll say to me. You teach our traders DOD. Rapido, rapido. I'm gonna be like Jesse in Breaking Bad. What up, Ashley? You like to come in? I swear, people always walk into the most random times. It's a little sneaky snake, Gene. Stupid. Oh, hilarious, but terrible accent, bro. I'm not. I don't think I'm supposed to have a good Spanish accent. From Mother Russia. Gene's supposed to be teaching me Spanish, but he's not doing a very good job. Jacobo. The cartel says, Jacobo, you will be trading for us. You will teach my soldiers DOD and you will teach us to take over the government.
Terrible accent. Terrible.
What's wrong with my accent? All right, then what's yours? Your Spanish accent.
No, it's gonna sound forced.
Yeah, now, bro, it's going to sound forced. Well, then what's mine supposed to sound like? Crazy. I'll stick to order fields. No more Spanish accent, I guess. I'm outvoted. All right, we're up here at this rejection area. I'm a little hesitant because we're in this 15-minute range, but this is, like, hypothetically speaking, this is what I would look for a short if I were to take one, but I'm going to wait. This is the 15-minute. Let's see the midline. Let's see if we touch this 50% retracement and move or what we want to do. We touch this 50% retracement. We'll see if this ends up being the push off. It was a little early in the day for me, so I held off from taking this, but that midline rejection is why you're seeing this aggressive push down from this area. That's why you're seeing don't. Let's see how this candle confirms. If this candle does confirm to the downside, it will give us potential bear setup. I want to break out the mask. Look at that 50% retracement reject. Okay, everybody. Let's see what they give us with these next few candles. We're still in between the 15-minute high and low, pre-market low, pre-market high. I'm just going to wait. Just going to wait for now. I prefer the shorts over the longs. I don't have any watch on longs until we build above this 25,000. The only thing I have on watch right now is shorts. That is the only setup I have. What about you, Grizzly? You see anything that you like?
You looking for entry, Jdun?
Not right now. I was open to looking. I'm looking for shorts over longs currently, but I don't have anything specific that I'm trading or I have my finger on the trigger for. I think that we can push lower. I'd put my money there if I had to put my money somewhere, but I don't love anything right now. It's also Monday. I'm always a little more cautious trading on Mondays. It's traditionally not been my best day. We picked it up a little bit in 2026, but traditionally my dad has been like, yeah, you don't really trade Mondays super well. So
Keep pushing back up. Like it must have gone towards pre-market high.
that's your pass, Jdun. I hope so. My data sure didn't like what it saw, but I hope so.
Those that's already taking a trade, I'm kind of curious of what you're trading. You're making money. I didn't see a setup here that had any
The only setup I've been watching for is potential shorts with stops either above that previous 5-minute candle high at like 967 or higher risk above that over that large 5-minute candle 25,000.
Yeah. Data about to drop.
Come on, this coffee needs to put pay done back in his place.
You haven't got the coffee yet, or you're sipping on it now?
Oh, I got my coffee. Pay done's here. Pay done's in the house.
I hate trading deals. All right, everyone, got like 15 seconds. If you're in a trade, I would definitely have stops. I'm not for sure how much it'll move. But
3, 2, 1.
go straight down. Give us a setup.
Nothing burger. I want to catch a big move for the day. I want to catch a big old trend move. A big, beautiful trend move. That's what we want. This is your reminder, guys. We're 30 minutes in. Choose DOD. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose discipline over cheap, garbage dopamine. As a reminder, if you're on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well. Jdun Trades. If you want to watch my full screen share, see all of my levels, see my charting, and join the #1 YouTube live stream for trading. Come on over, Jdun Trades. Appreciate y'all being here. And if you guys want to trade futures with me today, you can use code Jdun with any of our partner firms in the description. Right now, the best deal is Apex 90% off. Let's go. The 50K account is $19.70. I will do my absolute best to help you guys get funded and get paid. We keep wicking this below this midline. It tempts me to try it. But there's no 5-minute confirmation. That's why I've held back. Apex does pay out. You just got to follow the rules. Yep. We have lots of traders getting paid out with code Jdun. Sure, there's even a few in the chat right now that have gotten a payout in the last month with Apex. If you've gotten a payout from Apex in the last month and you're in the YouTube or TikTok chat, please make yourself known. My boy had like 5 payouts. He's been killing it. Artif got paid out. Chelsea, yup. I see lots of people. It's not easy. You got to follow the rules, but you follow the rules, you get paid out. Anywho, Let's try to focus on finding a winning trade, then we'll talk about all that. Until we build above this 25,000, I still look short. Once we build above this right here, we start to look long. I'm short, or not. I'm not short. I'm not in a trade. I'm short biased until we build above 25,000. I am the short king, but I'm not in a position right now. Jeez Louise, look at that. This could be a 2-bar, guys. This could potentially be a 2-bar. We got 30 more seconds on this candle. So now we're making lower highs. We're trending down. I will look at this for a potential move back up. 880 to 900. I'd like to see move back up to 900 to 920. We might not get it though. That pre-market low and orb is early though.
Everyone, if we could have pulled back to what is it? That was a lot of risk on that candle. I was considering like a 900 entry for short.
I just think it might do it before. We got pre-market low and 15-minute low here. Oh, come on. I'm watching for a shorts entry a little earlier than 900, guys. I don't know if we're going to get it. We touch this pre-market low and 15-minute low. That's a very high probability we go straight down from here. The problem was there's a lot of risk. So I was thinking about trying it in this area with stops at like 9, potentially like 9-10 area, and then we can look for a re-entry if we failed lower, but I'm not sure we're going to get it. We'll see. I'll keep you guys posted on what I'm doing. In a perfect world, I would have rather seen us shoot up to that 50% retracement for the 2-bar, like 910, stops at like 950. No entry for me yet, guys. This could be it early. I'm gonna wait for 900 or 910. Even like 900. Just add a little piece and then add more like 920. Come on, go 900.
You're trying these short straight up?
Not yet. I've got my finger on the trigger. Wanted to see 900.
900. Where are you gonna put your stop if you take it at 900 bucks?
I'll probably add a small piece at 900, then add again at 920 and keep my stops at 950. I'll take a full-size loss. I'll take a full-size loss if I lose. if we get it.
I like that.
I'm debating trying an early piece here with stops above like 890. I'm not sure we're gonna get that 900. I've almost done it a few times. I don't know if we're gonna get up to that 900. I'm not keen to push anything unnecessary early in the week on a Monday, but yo, we're just about to get a trade, guys. I appreciate y'all hitting that like button on the YouTube and the TikTok. Got almost 2,000 people here on the YouTube. Welcome in, everybody. Thank you for trusting me with your education, choosing DOD. Let's get those likes up to like 500. Good karma. Good karma button. Press that thumbs up button. If you're on TikTok, slam that screen too. Let's find ourselves a winner. Oh, come on. I really want to see 900 out of that. Man. If we close this candle weak, I'll adjust my entry criteria. Damn it. So close to that 900. Literally so close. But 8 points away. And now it's going to be invalid because we're already pushing new low a day. That's frustrating, for sure. Teach you ICT. Why would I want to teach you how to lose money? I want to help you make money. I'm going to hold off on that 900 now, guys. I will not be taking the trade at 900. At this moment, I'm going to look for a move to maybe like 920. I'm still open to that. 910, 920. So you only have about 30 points of risk. I'm watching this carefully. $890. If we break above this and go to maybe like 910 to 920. So we'll see how we look when we touch 900 first, but I'd like to see like 910 to 920.
Oh, this is the area.
I did not try it there, guys. I did not try 900. I want to see it's coming to my zone right here. Into my 910 to 920. It's price action. Better not want to play games. Yeah, I didn't like how we rejected early before, so gonna wait till we got into this range right here. I still will try this if we get up here. Hard stops above 950. Oh my gosh.
I hesitated. My bad. Didn't follow my own plan.
I followed my plan. I just didn't take it. I didn't like how we rejected that 890 before. Now it's going to go. If we get a 5-minute close below here with, say we get some hammer to the downside. I'm open to it. It looks like we still want to go down. We're going to just keep going down. That's annoying. Bias right again. We wouldn't have even been to 1-to-1 yet, I guess. So that's one way to look at it. 900, my stops would have been set at like 950. So we'd have to go from 900 down to 850 to be at 1-to-1 for that higher risk ad. Pay done never pays. You're clearly new here. You must be new here. But that's okay. I'll give you grace for that. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm also live charting in the YouTube, Jdun Trades. If we close this candle weak, I'll try shorts at the 15-minute low. That's the only other option I see. If we do close this week again and we pop back up to like 880, if we get double confirmation below this 15-minute low, then I'll look for shorts there with stops above like 903. But we'd have to close very weak here. Otherwise, I wait. Still don't look like it's going to give that to us. 30 more seconds on this candle. All right, we might get it. We'll see. No way. Two more. It's not exactly what I wanted to see. Come on, DOD, give me something. This the only setup I see here is potential shorts with stops above 903 and then maybe like a re-entry at 920 with stops above like 950. That would require 2 trades. I'll let you know if I take anything. Come on. I don't like that volume either on that candle. It's odd. I'm going to choose DOD. We're going to wait. I'm trying a piece of shorts, guys. I'm trying a small piece of shorts with stops at 902. And then if we fail that, I've tried the shorts. And if we fail that, I'll look for 920 with stops above 950. So 21 points of risk. A little higher risk trade here. If you want a better risk trade, you wait till like 9:20 to try. This could stop me out. And what do you know? On Monday, you're going to stop it out quick. We'll see if it happens. But I tried it. Let's stop with I have a hard stop at 9:01.75. In case we don't get this full pull up, I did try it. If you get up to 9:20, I'll try. Again, if you guys want a better risk entry, just wait till like 9:20. We'll stop at like 9:50, but I did try it. And I will get stopped out at 9:01.75. Which is skating on thin ice. She's skating on thin ice, but at least it wasn't in 15 seconds. So we'll take that as a positive for a Monday, right? Reminder, guys, I do have a hard stop at 9:01.75. So if we go up there, I'll get stopped out against my whether I want to or not. I always put my hard stops in. It's not looking great, but there's only little over 20 points of risk on this, so I'm going to stick to my plan. This volume is not looking like I want to see, but I'm still going to stick to my original plan of keeping this stop intact. Out of this trade. Out of this trade, guys. I swear, if it wicks me and dies, I'm going to be so salty. I'm out of this trade, everybody. I'm out of this trade. 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 I will look for another entry at 9:20. 9:20ish with stops above 9:50. And if that doesn't work out, then I'll likely be done for the Monday. I'll hang out, but I am not in this trade. I swear. If it wicks me by what would that be? 9:01.75, 9:04 by 3 points. I'll be so salty. It better not. Don't do it. Don't do it. At least if you're gonna wick me, at least go. I also don't like that we closed above this pre-market low, so I'm gonna wait till we see us wick up and fail. Otherwise, I'm not gonna put on another setup. I'll let you guys know if I do. I'm going to wait till see how we react here because we got this not strong volume, but average volume move here. Strong candle above that 15-minute high. So I'm not going to force another trade. I'm going to wait. This is the area I wanted. I'm a little skeptical of that last candle. I'm a little skeptical of that last candle. This was the short area I liked. So if you were going to try it here, you'd have to have stops above 9:50. I'm personally going to wait a sec. I'm going to wait a sec. Started off the day red. So I don't want to dig my grave too quickly. No trades yet, guy, or not? No new trades. Excuse me. No new trades, guys. No new trades. I have not taken any trade up here. I would rather see this in this previous candle wick up, touch it, and then fail. I don't like how we close this strong. I swear, if my original plan ends up working and that one just stopped me out on this push up, that's going to be cold. That's going to be real cold. Cold-hearted of NQ. Nasdaqita. Right now it's J Bum. Paydun, I guess, went into hiding on the last trade. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's don't do it to me. Should have stuck to my original plan. Should have just stuck to the original plan so far is what it's looking like. We'll see. At 920 would already been up 30 points. Sigh. All right, let's see. If we get a strong confirmation candle here, that'd be my look for a last trade. I'd try the shorts one more time. That's it. And if it stopped me out again, I'll hang out for a bit, but I would likely be, well, I would, if I hit my maximum loss limit, I'd for sure be done for the day. If you can't see the price on TikTok, go to YouTube. Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. There's your solution. I gave it to you on a platter. Choosing DOD, guys. I took a loss on my first trade, like a full-size loss on my first trade. Let's see if we can find a nice winning second trade or if we'll be done for the day, one and done with a red. I'm okay with being red, guys. I don't need to find another trade. So if we don't find anything that confirms or anything I like, I'll take my red day over the next hour and move forward. My head held high. That's a tough candle to navigate. That's a tough candle to navigate because, look, you have higher volume, but we're above the 15-minute low and the pre-market low. This does look like a nice lower high. We just didn't have a lot of space between these. Oh, boy, come on. If it wicks up and then just dies, I'm going to be so salty. I really, really, really want to try shorts again. But I also really, 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 really want to wait for A+ confirmation. So my really, really want and need to wait for my A+ confirmation outweighs my want to try shorts. Man. It's going to freaking go now. Watch. Should have stuck with my original plan of 920. If I would have stuck with that plan, would have been at 40 points. Should have stuck with that original plan. Come on, Jdun. Come on, Paydun. What are you doing? Why are you second guessing yourself? Why are you second guessing yourself? Bruh. There it is. Here it comes. That's frustrating for sure. That is frustrating for sure. No, PA is good today. I didn't trade that setup well. PA is fine. Just didn't trade that setup super well. It's like you have a wide open shot and you just miss it. Happens sometimes as a pro athlete. You just make sure your form's good and you hit the next one. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's frustrating, but it happens.
All right.
What's up?
Pretty good day. Under control.
That trade swept me the way to go down.
Yeah. It's not shaping up to be another tough week. Trying some M&Q shorts here, everyone. Light size. Stops at 904. M&Q shorts, light size.
I was looking
at 904.
I was looking for a shorter like that 880 too.
It bounces here. It gets back in that pre-market low. Pre-market high range, I don't know. It's going to sell off. It's going to be right here, I believe. 904.
I'm trying one more piece of shorts too. Might pop up. Try the shorts up there, guys. Set my hard stops up here.
Low a day is my first price target, everyone. 840-ish area. Ideally, we take this straight down to overnight low. 807. Asia low, overnight low.
Let's see.
Go straight down.
I set my hard stops up at 905. Emergency stops.
I'd like to get low a day out of this. I'm going to hold it until we get it.
I got a really good fill in that up there. I need to get pissed too. Gene, will you come take over? I have my stop set, so don't worry about that. If we get low a day, you can trim for me. My stops are set, so you're good.
He says if you get some drawdown, average it down as well. So it's green.
Ooh.
What's up, Gene? How you doing this morning?
Good, how are you?
Good. Waiting for this trade to pay us that we're in.
Yeah, I've been in this for a while.
We're gonna get low a day, everyone.
That's what I'm aiming for.
We're just gonna chop back and forth.
And Q's been on some games.
Hello, Mr. Gene. What is the market doing? Oh no. We got a little move down.
Oh, God.
I better not do the bullshit.
I think it's back in this pre-market low.
What do we go from 75 to 55 there? 20 points, not enough. Not enough.
Wasn't enough. 904 is my stop, everyone. If it breaks above this candle, I will be out. The previous candle.
I really had faith for that too.
I still like it. It's just that previous day point of control is tough to lose.
Come on, push down. That's a really good sign right there. If we can close this candle like this, that's a great sign.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to move my stops in a little to 900. 901. So not much, but a few points less risk. See, this I can get down with. It showed like we've tried to push down, shows the idea is right. Now I'd just like to see us push down the low a day.
It was closer to stop there. I thought I was going to get it for a second. Oh. Give us low day.
Come on.
Nice winning trade.
Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, Nasdaqita. Do it for Papa. Do it for Papa Nasdaq. Do it for Grizzy. Do it for Jdun.
Trimming it low day. Trim it low day. 840-ish.
I'm going to trim it low a day too. I'm going to trim right now. I'm going to trim at 850. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Straight down.
Okay. I'm taking a piece off here. I took a little off here. I did take a little piece off here, everybody.
Come on. Come on. There we go. Trim. Beautiful.
Come on.
That was so close.
There we go. We got a winning trade, baby. Let's move down further. Come on.
Good job, everyone.
Come on.
A little patience there, but we had a good entry.
Come on. Push it down, baby.
Anybody make any money on that with me?
I'm going to move my stops to
We're still in. One trim in.
moving it down to entry.
Overnight lower for my next trim.
I want to see Asia low. I want to see that 805 on this.
Straight down. It's going to be tough to get down there. We got some solid demand right here.
Let's go. This is what we wanted, baby.
Nice.
It's exactly what we wanted to see. Let's go. Well, nice job on that Grizzly. Glad I could catch a winner too. We made it back. We made it back, everybody. Let's go. Let's keep moving down. Come on. Come on. Keep it moving down, everybody. That came so close to stopping out. Come on.
Straight down. I don't see anything stopping us unless we bounce the top of this zone, which is very possible.
Come on.
Stops have to be entries. Don't let your trade go red anymore. Or don't get back your profits from your first trim.
Come on. Now go to Asia low.
Thanks.
We'll take break even. We'll take break even on the day. Don't do it. Don't stop me. 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 Please don't stop me, please.
Gosh, this price action. Let's give this continuation. We want at least 2 trims. Come on.
Please don't stop me, please.
I got mine, everyone. I'm out of it.
Well, I can buy groceries for tonight now. I can't be buying anyone else steak or sushi, but that win was nice. I'm still in this trade, guys. I'm still in this trade.
I took that on my funded. I'm going to take it on my personal.
Come on. So they're going to stop me out at the high of this next candle now at 73, or we're going to let it move down. We're going to do Asia low. No in between. No in between. We're going Asia low, or we're stopping out at 73. I've seen some continuation here. Jeez Louise. Is that too much to ask for? Is that too much to ask for? There we go. I thought the haters were gonna get to call me Jdun today. Not quite. You had your chance at the start. Not anymore. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all joining in. If you're on the TikTok, hitting that follow button in the top left corner and tapping into the YouTube at Jdun Trades. I trade live every single day. You guys see all my levels, all my key levels charting. And I appreciate y'all being a part of this stream. Y'all are hilarious in the comments. Let's see if we can get Asia low. Sorry about that first trade, but second one hit. It was nice. First trade sucked, but well, didn't suck, but didn't work out. Second trade is a banger. Imagine if I would have stuck to my 920 plan, would have been almost a mega trade. Oh, one for two in the day. Uno for dos. Is that how I'd say it, Gene? Uno for dos. 1 for 2. I want to see Asia low. Or stop at 73. Uno de dos. I'm uno de dos for the day. Come on. Just give us Asia low before popping up to that previous 5-minute high. We want to see Asia low. I want to see this orange line get hit first. Awesome job, White. Come on. Come on. Got a new low a day. Gotten a 40-plus point trade so far. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push us down to Asia low. Asia low. We want Asia low. Please. Please and thank you, Asia low. Took your 920 short, got filled at 910, waiting for Asia low from my last runner. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. I want to see this tested, but I'm going to move my stops down now to 9 or 855, everybody. 855. If you guys have any runners, I like 855 for stops. So I'm talking about with small losses and big winners. Prime example on a Monday. Prime example on a Monday. And guess what? Because we went from red to green, you know who came out to play, baby! Yeah, Asia low! Asia low! Asia low! Asia low! Asia low! Come on. Give me my final price target. Give me the Asia low. Come on. The bear is hungry. The bear is hungry. I want me some nice hibernation air below.
Yes. I'm hoping to catch another trade. I first one on my funded. Oh, the bear's back.
The bear wants Asia low for hibernation.
I hope you get another trim or two off, Jdun, but this is the area I want to catch the long finish will confirm.
The bear wants Asia low. Give me Asia low. Come on, dig for Asia low. Dig, 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 dig. Where's my Asia low? Dig for it, come on. Hibernate, hibernate, hibernate. Come on, baby. Give me my Asia low. Come on. Give me my Asia low. Let's go ahead and trail our stops down a little too. Come on. Come on. We want Asia low. We got so close. So close. So close, yet so far away. Oh, yeah. The bear came out to play today. We got the claws and everything. You know what? We're keeping the claws on. The mask gets a little hard to see, but... Only dreaming that you're missing me. I'll be crazy. Now you're gone. There's an end. It's not gonna hit that Asian low, huh? It's not going to do it for me, huh? Wow. Out of this trade, guys. Out of this trade. I got stopped out on the remainder. We'll take it, though. We'll take a little red to green action. I wanted Asia low. I wanted Asia low. Keep waiting here by the phone with the pictures hanging on the wall. They do have merch. Hey, we'll take it. Red to green all day, every day. We'll take that, baby. And we got the bear outfit out. I'll keep my one claw on. There. That was fun. Waiting here by the phone. That was a good time, guys. Caught some points, made some money. I'm waiting here at home. Jdun, Team Bull helped me get pass my first eval. Failed 5 other times. DOD now get to get a payout. That's awesome, bro. Let's go. I've been thinking about you every day. A furry is crazy. Hey, we just like to have fun on the stream. Catch winners and have fun together. People can't have any fun. We need to lighten up. Wow, watch that go to low a day now. Watch us get our Asia low.
Yeah, this is the area I'm watching for a bounce table, but we haven't had anywhere near the confirmation I need. May just fall through this.
Oh, I'm already out of this trade. I'm not in this trade anymore. I got stopped when we moved back up to 50. So if we go down to Asia low, which I hope we do if anyone's still in. Jdun, seriously, thanks for another winning day. Let's go. Hey, 2,880 counts today. Let's go. Post your gains. Am I open to another opportunity? No, I went red to green, so I am going to likely be done for the day. All right, that first trade was stressful. So if you guys stuck to the plan, small wins and bigger losers, if you guys made some money with Grizzly or myself, let's get some good vibes, good energy for the week going on a Monday. Talk to me. How'd you guys end up doing? If you guys stuck to the plan, kept any losses, small wins, big, talk to me. How much y'all make? Positive energy for the chat. I want some positive vibes for the chat on a Monday. How much we up for the day? 800, 352, 208, 136, 272, 1520, 780. Small losses, big wins, baby. 109, 252. Good energy only. 307, 558. Negative 200 to $5. Hey, red to green, baby. Let's go. 1,800. Small loss, but happy. Hey, that's a win too. Just over $100. Let's go. We'll take small loss. Oh my gosh. What did I just look over and see? What did I just look over and see? Bruh. Ain't no way it went and stopped me out, only for us to do that. Wow. 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 Biggest finesser ever, bro. You come in here every day and say this. Literally every day. I must be living rent free, which, you know what? I'd want to come watch me too every day because I win almost every day. You know, I get it. There's not many people that do what I do in the space. That's why we're growing every day, you know? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm glad we caught a piece of that. I'm happy we caught a piece of that. But man, that sucks. I pray for grown men that keep other grown men in their thoughts and have to hate every day. You got to pray for them. There's no other way to do it. I mean, that cannot be a happy life. That can't be a happy life. We pray for those people. So here's the deal, folks. We could potentially get a 2-bar here. I'm going to be done for the day. If we got the 2-bar right now, you'd be right at Asia lows. You could try it 8 to 8.15 with stops above like 8.40.
You got to head out, Jdun, or you gonna be around?
I'm going to stick around for like 30 more minutes.
Watching another setup here.
What are you watching?
From close, pull back to 800, 807 for sure.
Yep, that's what I was just talking about. That'd be a solid 2-bar. You told me to tell you about the 2-bar setup. That'd be a spot for it.
It's gonna be a good setup, everyone. I'm gonna try if we pull back to the overnight low. That 800 to overnight low area.
Yep, 8 to 8.10. So when you have a trend-setting candle like that, you take your Fibonacci retracement tool and take it from the high of low to the candle. Then in that range, the 50 to 0.618, that's where you try the shorts with stops above that trend-setting candle high. My paper thick. Let it know my paper thick. All my DOD family's paper thick. Man, I'm glad we at least caught a second. Man, imagine if we'd have gotten 920. I knew I should have followed my original plan. Tagged you in my Insta. I love when y'all tag me in your Insta or Insta stories. In a post or what? Where'd you tag me? I don't see it. I don't think you tagged me. I don't see it. Jdun Trades or Jdun? Oh, you tagged Jdun. Niche trades. Hey, you should tag me on my Jdun Trades page. I'll repost it. I don't really talk about trading much in my personal, but I'll repost you on my trading one. It's way more views too. Wow. I'm sad. Damn. I mean, I'm happy to be green, but damn. If you guys got them, I love seeing y'all tag me in the post your gains tab too with DOD. I'll sometimes give away a nice little something to people who post in there too. I mean, I tell you guys when we're doing an actual giveaway, but they'll also see a nice post sometimes and show some love. I'm always grateful seeing you guys take the time to do that. Here's the deal, guys. If you want to take my next trade with me tomorrow, you guys can go get an Apex account for 90% off. Use code JDUN at checkout. If I've helped you with your trading, if you got value from today, go get yourself a 50K Trade Evade account. 90% off ends, I think, end of day tomorrow. It's 90% off still, so you can get a 50K Trade Evade account for $19, which is bananas. Yeah, it ends in 1 day and 13 hours. Oh my gosh, look at that. Heartbeat slow. I want you to know. Wow, look at that, guys. Would you look at that? I'm glad we caught a piece of that trend. The win streak continues. You know what it is? The first day that we get the bear mask out, things start paying. Team Bull, more like Team Bear, baby. Look at that move from the Bears today. I'm glad we caught a piece of it too. Does this count as 2-bar? The previous candle did. It could. It's possible. Dun, dun. I love my bear mask. I knew it was going to come in handy. I knew it was. Why kangaroo mask? Dun, dun, dun. Life is good on this side, baby. We are vibing. We're eating. We're killing it. Here's the deal. I'm likely done for the day, but if we get this move back up to 800, I still think this looks decent for a short entry up here with stops above this like 840. I still think it looks decent. Something. Oh, I love y'all coming on to the live with me daily, baby. This would not have been a 2-bar because our volume wasn't higher. Let's see if it would have almost hit that 50% retracement, but our volume didn't confirm there, so there would have been no entry. Man, so many tags, people making money. You love to see it. Grizzly killed that. I killed my second trade. Maybe killed isn't the right word, but did a great job with it. Yes, sir. We got about 28 more minutes on the live, too. Trade was nice, huh, Gene? Wow, we're still moving. Now I am hurt that I missed all this second part of the move. That's salt for sure. Yo, if you're on TikTok, I would invite you to come trade live with me on YouTube tomorrow. It's Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on YouTube. We have a great community here. Jdun Trades on YouTube. I want to see y'all all tap in to the #1, the fastest growing futures live stream in the game. Where's that guy that took a long in the chat? I hope he's okay. We don't ever root for people to lose here. I mean, if you're a grown man hoping on someone else's downfall, you got bigger issues in your life than you're trading. I would say that. Like, there's a lot of grown men that join these chats and it's like, I don't know if they're like bored before work or they're just unhappy or what, but I pray for those people. I mean, it's got to be a really sad life. It'd be a really, really sad, unfulfilling life. Look at that. Look at that. Some live streams focus on drama and negativity and hating. Even if someone comes in and says, oh, Jdun, you're short, you're an idiot, and then it works out because my trades usually do work out, I'm never going to sit there and dog them like, oh, how'd that long work out for you? Like, I don't want to see anyone lose money. That sucks. Trading's hard enough already. You never want to see that. It's all right, Renee. Win the next one. Manage your risk in the next one. Gene, you want to come say hi? All right, Gene's coming to say hi. I'm going to blow my nose and get my meat out so I can beat my meat later once I'm frozen.
That's crazy. Oh, I don't know what we could do. We're good. I don't know. We just keep dying. Yeah, I'm out.
Well, I just validated the rest of the setups for today. Guess I'll call it. Come back in the morning, everyone.
Peace out, Grizzly.
Yeah, I'm heading now. I don't like anything else really. I'm not even for sure I would take that overnight low retest at this point. People, we make some money together at least. A little bit. A little sushi money.
It's And we just keep falling.
Well, sushi money myself, but I'll see you all in the morning. Take it easy.
All right.
This guy.
What's up, Mr. Quiet?
What's up, dude?
Tired?
Yeah.
I would not. Wow. Look at this move down, guys. Wow. Jdun showed up today. All right, guys. What do we do here? Yeah, bro, does seem tired. I was like, "You good, bro?" The 920 was it. I'm so happy we ended today, Green. Cut a nice move. Look at that move right there. It's crazy. Hey, I want to get away. Well, good way to start the week, everybody. Good psychology builder. Good comeback. What's up, Mr. Gene?
What's going on, sir?
What up, dog?
I made the $60 by dollar.
I want to get away. Hopefully all y'all did your homework this weekend too and watched the 2-bar strategy video. Said catch more trends. I wanna fly away. This is crazy. This is the move I wanted to see. This is exactly what we wanted to see. Man, imagine if we would have just taken that 920 as held. Don't outsmart Jdun. Copy him for now. Oh my gosh. I don't I just want you to watch from my moves and learn from me in real time. Guess what's for lunch today, everybody? We're having some ground bison for lunch. Yeah, buddy. Two trades today. One winner, one loser. One small, like 21-point loser. Yep. I'll be having avocado and then some rice as well. I've been including rice like a cup 2 or 3 times a day. Telling you, I'm about to put some serious size on, guys. 20 pounds. That's my goal. My goal is to put on 20 pounds muscle. What's up, Micro Dan? Where you been, bro? I missed the name Micro Dan. Mr. Micro Dan. How about them shorts? I know. Banger. Dun, 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 dun. Do I like any setups here? Not really. Hit some bangers with you last week. Let's go. Happy with how today turned out. Wish we could have caught a bigger part of the move, but happy with how it turned out. We chose DOD. Started the week on a solid note. Bias was right in the first trade, just a little early of an entry. Yeah, those shorts did get smashed. Let's see what top of... Yeah, we honestly don't really have any good pullbacks either to take right now. How'd you guys all do today? I'm not talking about P&L, but how was your process today? How was your system? How was your DOD? That's what I'm asking. How was everybody's execution and DOD? I want you guys to think to yourself, what is one takeaway that you can take with you this morning and be better on tomorrow? And that doesn't mean you could have done everything great and you can still look for one way you can improve or grow on that. That's what I want you guys to look at from this morning. I want you guys getting a little better each day. Now that I have the team, my emotions stay calm, which keeps my execution sharp. That's awesome, Harvey. Welcome to the squad, bro. DOD was great. I missed my entry and didn't force any trades. Small green on the day, but I'll take it. That's great. DOD. Got stopped out early, but still in the green. Thank you, Jdun. Let's go. And Tesla had a rough day too. DOD. That's right. $1,100 today. DOD, baby. I'm happy with how our Monday went. Got about 10 minutes left. Eugene, can you shut that water off, please? Por favor. Guess what? I'm lifting arms, or not arms, but chest today too. I'm excited. Thank you, sir. Been following you for a few days, and you keep hearing DOD. What does it mean? Oh boy, you're never gonna stop hearing it. You know what's funny is I did 2 student interviews this weekend, and one of the gentlemen, both amazing men, was like, I heard you say DOD over and over again every day, and at first, like, it's a little weird, annoying, whatever you want to call it. But then after a while, I was like, damn, this actually really helps me to hear this over and over. To hear someone telling me, don't be an idiot. Don't take the stupid trade. Don't break my discipline. And that made me really happy to hear that reinforcement is helping people in real time, helping you stay away from bad dopamine, from cheap dopamine, from overtrading, from revenge trading, from all the things that help you help you not self-sabotage. If we can keep you from self-sabotaging, you're gonna significantly improve. So someone said 2 bars coming for longs. Respectfully, no, it's not. Let me teach you why not. So even if we get an aggressive candle here with rising volume right here, why is this not a traditional 2-bar setup? Tell me, chat. Why is it not a 2-bar setup if we get 2 green candles here? Because it's not a trend entry. You can get a reversal setup. I'm open to that if you reverse with higher volume, but it's not a 2-bar. You can trade it similar to a 2-bar sometimes, but it's not a trend entry. The sole purpose of trading a 2-bar setup is to try to catch the trend. That is the sole purpose. It's a retracement strategy. I'm actually adding back FFF to our prop firm lineup as well. If you guys have been looking to trade with FFF, code Jdun will work now. I spoke with the team there. Gene's about to get a fat payout from them if all goes well. And they got a lot of good things going with plans. So if you guys are wanting to trade with FFF, you can use code Jdun again too. Well, as well as Apex, Alpha Futures, and Tradeify. Yeah, we're cool. I actually like their plans a lot. They're doing good for traders. They got a good live program. They have a live program. Pretty much on par with the other live programs. No call outs, AMG. That's just to prevent bots, TE. Did I watch the hockey game? Of course I did, baby. I love hockey. Nebraska and ASU. Oh, man. When we do our Team Bowl March Madness Challenge, I'll tell you right now, y'all better not sleep on Nebraska basketball. Y'all better not sleep on us. Slap the phone. Say, get away from me. Say, get away from me. If I were to look for another entry for shorts, I wouldn't see anything until like 800. I'd try like 800 to 810 with stops above 840. We're already deep into the trend, so I'd need a solid retracement. Then again, I'm a retracement trend trader, so. It came true. Jdun. No Jdum today. Thanks for the DOD reminder. Going to walk away green. That's what's up. I'm getting off in 2 minutes. I promised y'all 2 hours of market trading. That's what y'all get. Remind y'all for 2 hours to choose DOD to trade smart, to trade safe, and to stay focused. And I love y'all too. If you're on TikTok, as a reminder, I invite you to join me. Someone said, 345 said, I love you, Jdun. You made me $672 today. Let's go. Love, bro. I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you're on TikTok, I'd love to invite you to YouTube. And I'd love to invite you guys also to watch my 2-bar video I just posted on my YouTube channel the other day. It's gotten a ton of positive feedback. Jdun Trades on YouTube. I should have the first interview posted this next weekend. The first interview should be posted this next weekend. So I'm going to try to post one a week. All right, y'all. I am about to mob off for the day. One small loss, 20 points to start the day. One solid winner after that to rebound on the shorts. So I appreciate y'all being here. Appreciate y'all rocking with me, choosing DOD, bettering yourselves every day, and being a part of a mission bigger than ourselves individually, but as a collective, implementing DOD and improving every single day. God bless y'all. I'll see you guys later, okay? Have a great rest of your days, everyone. Peace. Bye, fam. Choose DOD. Do something positive for yourself today. Appreciate y'all hitting that follow button. If you're on TikTok, top left corner, make sure you hit that follow so you don't miss any of the live streams, any future education or trades. YouTube, same deal. Appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe and also turning on those notifications. God bless y'all. Peace.